Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making volcanoes. First, what you're going to need a container. A clear container works better. Some baking soda. Food coloring if you want it to look colorful. And then some vinegar. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill up your clear container with baking soda. That should be enough. And then you're going to want to get your food coloring and put some in. Actually, I'm going to use the other one. Alright, so then we're going to drop 2 drops. So, 1, 2. Alright, so we already have a couple done. Well, ready, so we can do it. So there's Raymond's, there's Alexis's, and then I'm going to give him the spoon. He wants to stir his. Red and orange. She has red and pink, and he has blue and green. Alright, so now you just add your vinegar, and be careful because this can get messy.
Messy? Very messy.
Ready, Raymond?
Yeah. Woo! And there's your eruption. Okay, can I pour it?
Go ahead.
How I did this? Okay. Woo! And there's our eruptions.
Yeah, that's... now the table's all messy. We got a whole bunch of red
I don't
colors.
think you guys could see how the eruption went. Ew! Who deep? So, this is what it's gonna look like after. It's gonna have it's gonna look cool. The bottom looks cool. Everything looks cool. Mine. Okay, my turn. My turn. No, mine not.
It's all messy. Well, that was pretty fun, but now we're gonna move on to our next project. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.